How's it going, everyone? It's Reversal Trader King, where I catch you guys bottoms and tops in the stock market. I want to talk about KITT. A lot of people has been asking me to talk about this. It had a massive run pre-market. It went to a high of 26.80 cents at 4:15 in the morning. If anyone was able to catch that. But what do I see in here? Where do we have? Do we have room up? And I'm going to look at the daily chart and show you guys some things here on my system. So if you guys don't know and new to my channel, I use the band strategy. I love average true ranges with exponential moving averages along with the KDJ. Those are the three indicators I use, and they work perfect for swing trading strategies. And if you want to learn more about this, have your chart set up, you can join my Discord down below in the YouTube comments. That's pinned and says join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. Only $6 a month. You guys gonna love it. So basically, what happens is, for bottom reversals, when you have time distance of the EMA 10 and 20, and that's when price has not hit those. As you can see, the yellow band is my EMA 10, the purple is the EMA 5. We look for price to be as close as possible to this lower band. As you can see, it had a massive move down here, but look what we have happening. We have this big 78% move up, massive. And where do we go to? The 10 and 20. We know price is going to go that. So if we use this knowledge and we know where price has to go, how are we going to trade, a stock that is above the EMA 20 now? How are we going to trade this stock? We can see, everyone can see clear resistance right in here. So it wouldn't make sense to really buy it near that clear resistance or even at this resistance on that right here. What I love to do is the trampoline effect. For the first thing, as you can see, when you hit the EMA 10 and you go back to it, you tend to have the trampoline effect, and that is the best thing to do. The best, in my opinion, like if a stock goes above the EMA 20, that's what I look for. I look for the first trampoline effect, EMA 10 bounce. So like right in here is a perfect example. We had this clear move up. We're above the EMA 20, which is the light blue line right here. And when the bands shift up, that's an uptrend. When the bands go down like this, you're in a downtrend. You don't ever want to be in this unless you're buying where I said to buy at the bottom band here with an extreme ATR level, and you have time distance of the EMA 5. So what we're going to do here is we have this big bounce up, and then it goes down. Where do we look for the bounce? The trampoline effect. Right in here, it kind of scared people. Remember, wicks do damage, but the bodies tell the story. Wicks did damage. It goes below our trampoline effect, but it then shoots right up. So here's what I'm seeing. Same pattern. We have the trampoline effect right here. If it goes down some more, let's see this right here shift up to that next move up. It's really impossible to say how high this is going to go. Is it going to hit the ATR 4 right here? Anything is possible, guys. It could hit the upper band, but if it does hit the upper band, guys, no one should be buying and people should be selling off. So I'm going to look if there's any time in history. Has this ever hit the upper band? And the answer is no. As you can see, look at these beautiful spikes up here at the lower band for a spike up. Very nice gains you can get. I love the bottom reversal system, guys. It really is, as long as you have patience, you discipline, and you can control your emotions, you can make a lot of money with this system. So right in here, the only thing I can say is let's get the trampoline effect, at least get price closer to the bottom band, and then we're going to go to a 5-minute time frame. So if you guys that have access to my system are in my Discord and you go to the 5-minute time frame, let's see what we have here. As you can see, when we hit the upper band on the 5-minute, we sold off right in here. Price can't sustain that short amount of time frame, and a lot of times we go back and we try to make a move up. We did not make that move up. So looks like we got to go even. Sometimes I do 1 minute if we don't see anything. So yeah, I would suggest 1 minute on this one. As you can see, we go up, we retest the upper band, go down, and has not had. Here was the entry right in here that I'm seeing. Right here, we did have the bottom band getting hit. Now, anybody that watches my videos, if you hit let the 1 minute candle hit the bottom band, so you can physically see we hit it. And Kate noted that because a lot of the times what you'll see is a retest of that bottom band. So on the 1 minute, we hit the bottom band. Here is your entry signal. It's going to happen so fast that you will miss this. So it's fine. The price goes up, retests the EMA 5, which is your quick reversion to the mean. And guess what? It retouches it. So you would put an order at 14 35, you will put it at 0.1436 or even 0.1440. Doesn't matter. So here it does, and then it goes a little lower. So you could have got even lower if you wanted to, but here was your initial entry. And as you can see, we start pumping up very rapidly from 14 cents to 18. And if we look at the daily candle, it coordinated with the trampoline effect. As you can see right in here was the trampoline effect at what? 14 cents. You see how much sense this makes? We were getting it at 14, what was it? 0.1436. So we were just slightly under the EMA10, and that's totally fine. So what happens is, I want everyone to do this. When you have a big stock go above the EMA20 and a very fast reaction down, we want to look for the trampoline effect right in here. We go to the 1 minute time frame and make sure that the daily EMA10 matches where we touch the lower band on a shorter time frame. And if it does this, if it goes right here, you get an entry, no problem. You make sure you get the retest. If it goes even lower, you just get an even better entry. So realistically, though, you would have the entry over here. So very nice trade. Obviously, you probably missed it if you didn't see this. We can wait for another trampoline effect. You just got to make sure on the next day you have to look for, okay, where's the EMA10 at the next day? This is a recording on June 6th, so we don't have... You know, if you missed it, you missed it. That's why when you have these plays, you got to really have them on your watch list and watching them. And but that's why when you have this system, it does help. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my analysis on KITT. We are in this black space in here, so you guys know I love the trampoline effect. And once we have 1 or 2 bounces on that, I'm done. I'm not playing the trampoline effect anymore. We wait for under the EMA 20, and we do the EMA 5 time distance, just like under here. You see how we have EMA 5, we're under the EMA 5, we look for the bounce of the 10 and 20. That's how we will play after that. This is the momentum side of things. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my analysis on KITT. If you guys want to join the premium Discord, it's only $6 a month or 20 cents a day. If you want to have this system and have more eyes on things, because a lot of people, I can't find everything. It's impossible. I'm out and about doing things, and I can't have, I have a certain amount of stocks I'm willing to hold, right? So if you guys want to join the Discord, then one of the best things is being in the community. So if you click the link down below, there'll be a YouTube comment that's pinned. It'll say, join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. And when you click that link, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. What you want to do is first read how to subscribe. It's very good information, especially if you have an Android. It's very easy to subscribe. Avoid scammers. There's going to be people that DM you or impersonate that look like me. That is not me. I'm telling you. I never DM you first. So do keep that in mind. If you want to subscribe, the easiest way is just hit premium chat under the subscriptions tab, and it'll opt you to subscribe for only $6 a month. It's probably the cheapest thing ever with the highest value of information you're going to get. And if you do subscribe, do it on computer, because it's a little cheaper if you do it on computer, because you avoid the iOS fee. If you do it on your phone, you get charged a iOS fee. I'm trying to help you guys out, and I'm telling you, you guys can be profitable if you do this. What you're going to get is my RTK swing trades that look like this. You get my exact entries and exits. Let's say you don't have time to look at charts. Fine, you can follow my entries and exits. And I even have a target price where to look for and get out ahead of time, as I have this journal here. So the journal is probably the most important thing, because if you ever want to know what trade I'm in, you just go to the journal. The journal will say, this is the trade I'm in with my averages and my wins and losses. It is by far the most transparent thing I can do, because I've been in other Discords. They will alert a trade, and guess what? Once the trade goes bad, they never talk about it. And you'd be bag holding. You're like, what do I do? It'd be down like 50%. They're like, oh, you should have got out of it. Well, no one let the person know. And that's what this journal is for. You know, if I'm in a trade, I'm going to let you know if I'm out. And you're going to know because it's in my journal. It's going to have an open position. So you see exactly what I'm doing. Education videos, if you want to get your chart to look like mine, watch these videos, and they're very, very important. Hope you guys enjoyed this analysis on KITT. This is a trampoline effect video. We hit it once. Getting twice is a little dicey, so be a little careful. But after 2 times, we do not do trampoline effect anymore. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did, give it a like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you feel about it. I read all your comments, and I'll see you guys in the Discord. Peace out.